Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to talk to you about the amazing D20 smartwatch. If you're looking for a way to track your fitness goals, monitor your heart rate and blood pressure, and stay connected with your Apple or Android device, then this smartwatch is definitely for you. First and foremost, let's talk about the design and build quality of the D20 smartwatch. Not only is it sleek and stylish, but it's also waterproof, so you can take it with you on all of your adventures without worry. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a swim, or just living your everyday life, this watch is built to keep up with you. Now, let's dive into the features. The D20 smartwatch is packed with everything you need to take your fitness to the next level. From step tracking to sleep monitoring, this watch gives you valuable insights into your health and wellness. Plus, with its heart rate monitor and blood pressure tracking, you can keep a close eye on your vital signs and make informed decisions about your health. But the benefits don't stop there. This smartwatch also features Bluetooth capability, so you can stay connected to your messages, calls, and notifications without having to constantly check your phone. It's the ultimate way to stay in the loop without being tied down to your device. So, if you're ready to take control of your health, stay on top of your fitness goals, and look stylish while doing it, then the D20 smartwatch is the perfect choice for you. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this incredible smartwatch in the description box below. So, what are you waiting for? Make the smart choice and invest in your health and wellness today with the D20 smartwatch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.